Okay, so when you see a question like 31, what you want to do is you want to factor out uh, a value. And usually when it's written this way, you want to look at the smallest one and see, hey, can I divide the rest by the smallest one to take out perfect square roots? So when you look at it, the smallest square root is 3, so you ask yourself, what happens when I do 48 divided by 3? 48 divided by 3 is 16. In other words, 16 times 3 is 48. And if you take the square root of x squared, you actually just get x. So you just have an x on the outside. And we do the same thing on the next one. So if we divide that by 3, you get 9. In other words, 9 times 3 is 27. And again, the square root of x squared is x. And the last one is x square root 3, right? The square root of x squared is still x, like in the other two. And then you can't do anything with the square root of 3. The reason why we like this is that 16 and 9 break down to perfect square roots. And what you really are trying to do is to break down perfect square roots, but a nice little trick is that if it ends with one that's already been reduced, then so are the other ones. Then the other ones have to be reduced by the same value. So that kind of helps you out a little bit on this. And so we break it down, keep breaking it down. 6 times 4 is 24. Square root of 3, 2 times 3 is 6. And we solve. So 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 1. Don't forget there's a 1 technically here, is 17. So 17x square root 3. And that's the answer choice A. Okay? So there's a bunch of practice problems that you can do with this on our reviews. So please run through those.